What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the iQOO 12 Pro is finally launched in China, but in India as well it will be launching soon. And the phone will be coming with some of the crazy, insane specifications, some of its features which will be first of a kind in the industry. So let's take a look at the phone of the iQOO 12 Pro. First of all, talking about the display, the phone will be coming with a 6.7 inch of a 2K Samsung E7 AMOLED display. It will be having a 144Hz of peak brightness and 2700 nits of peak brightness. Now the phone will also be coming with the 144Hz of PWM dimming, which is again a new thing to have in a smartphone. And the processor is the industry's next generation flagship processor from the Qualcomm, and is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which has finally been officially launched in a smartphone now. The Adreno 750 GPU is also present in the phone, alongside with the LPDDR5X RAM with UFS 4.0 storage. Now the LPDDR5X is now not the fastest RAM available in the market, as the LPDDR5T is also available in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 compatibility. Phone will be running on Android 14 out of the box, a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor and a 50 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, alongside a 64 megapixel of a 3x optical zoom telephoto camera, and a 100x digital zoom will be present in the phone. Now the camera does look promising on this phone, but will also be coming with a 16 megapixel of a front selfie shooter. Now the phone will also be having a 5100 milliamp battery, and it can be charged fast wired with the 120 watts of fast wired charging. The phone will not be having a IP68 water and dust resistant, and the wireless charging is missed on this phone, but IP68 water and dust resistance is indeed a good backup to have in the phone. Wi-Fi 7 will be present in the phone in the Chinese variant, and the Bluetooth 5.4 version is present in the phone as well. The NFC and IR blaster are also present in the phone, and the dual stereo speaker setup system as well. Now the phone will be coming with an extra large X sensor linear motor for better haptics, and it will also be having an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner in the phone, which is the industry's first, and also 4D game vibration to enhance your overall gaming performance in a phone. Now these things does make up a lot of sense, considering iQOO is more of a company towards the gaming smartphones as well, and this phone does make sense a lot more. Now all we have to see is we have to wait and see actually how does the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 hold against the heating, and let's find out in another video. Now if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.